You may earn up to $500 by following these simple steps. Are you excited to learn about these techniques? Don't worry, I'll teach you how to do it. Simply keep an eye on things to ensure you don't miss anything. Simply take your phone and go to Google Play Store to download this app for free, and you will be making $500 or more in no time. Imagine earning this much money with no selling, no video, and a very simple setup. From beginning to end, this is a very short and easy process that will take only a few minutes of your time, and it doesn't matter where you're from. However, if you have a mobile phone, you can start earning that amount right here, right now. I'll also be giving you tips to double or even triple your money. But before we start, if it is your first time in the channel, welcome to the Daily Dollars channel. Where I will teach you methods and strategies on how to make money online. Before we go to our video, make sure to subscribe to the channel, smash the like button, and click the notification bell to be notified whenever we upload a new video. And don't forget to leave a comment down below. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video. The first step that you can use to make money online today is enrollapp.com, which is essentially an app that contains a vast collection of millions of different high-performance and high-resolution photos. On the Foap, there are essentially two types of people first and foremost. There are those who wish to purchase various photographs every day. Hundreds of thousands of individuals visit Foap in search of different photos to acquire. The second group on Foap is the seller who is essentially selling images directly through the app. That is precisely how you may profit from these apps. You also won't have to shoot any images yourself. You don't need any graphic design skills, nor do you ever go on camera. And you won't even be required to have any technical experience. Now keep on watching and I'll show you exclusive websites where you can find a ton of done things for you, which are automated photographs that you can simply re-upload and post on Foap. Before we get to continue, make sure to subscribe to the channel, smash the like button, and click the notification bell to be notified whenever we upload a new video, and to be the first ones to know a million more ways to make money online. And don't forget to leave a comment down below to show your support and tell us what you think. By the time you finished watching this video, you may be making your first couple of dollars in no time. Head over to enrollapp.com and click on this Submit Your Brand Brief button, and then click on Sell Your Content at the upper right column within the For Creator button. It will then bring you to this page where you can see how you can make money with your movies and photos. You can get the full app on your iOS or Android device. If you have an Android phone, simply go to the Google Play Store and search for Foap. Be sure to get the correct application with this logo. Otherwise, if you have an iPhone, simply go to the App Store and download Foap for free. Without further ado, I'd like to demonstrate to you the whole library available to the Foap website. As you can see, there are a lot of high-resolution and high-quality images for sale on this website, and they're generating a lot of money passively. What's more amazing and cool about this app is that even if you upload the photos on this platform, in the next few days or the following years, you will still be able to receive commission and money from this website because the photos that you upload and post are full, and every single month, millions of visitors go on to browse around, shopping for different photos to purchase. And take note of this, you are not expected to create or take any photographs. Let's pretend this is one of the photographs that people are selling on the website. Typically, every single photo states a charge of $10. That's US dollars. And right here is another example of a photo with the same $10 price tag. And you might be wondering how much money you can make from this website. Right now, given that the photographs are not as cheap as you think they are, you can actually post your films and photographs and generate income as easy as that. Also note that they're going to split the profit with you. 50 goes to the full account and 50 goes to your account. Fair enough. The reason they're collecting 50 of your profit is that they are going to sell the image for you automatically. Plus, it's pretty cool since Foap is a well-known platform. They work with a lot of famous businesses and have millions of visitors. Therefore, they'll automatically assist you in marketing and selling the different images you publish on this website, so you don't have to do any of the hard work yourself. All you have to do is copy and paste the photographs onto this platform and you'll be able to generate income passively. Also, I want to show you something incredibly cool on this website. You can now do more than only sell your images. And you can also engage in multiple tasks or missions. For example, this mission has a cash reward of over $50, and this mission has a cash reward of $500 in every week. There are so many different missions that you can join, and you can easily upload different images based on the theme given. When you submit different photos, depending on the different missions given, you stand a chance to win and earn real money. Now you can go to shutterstock.com, which is much the same as Photoshop in terms of functionality. People come here every day to buy different pictures. Since they have a large library of varied high quality and high resolution photos, you might be the one to join and upload some photographs to Shutterstock too. And ta-da! You will be able to earn hundreds of dollars as a result. Upload on Foap as well. The more websites you join up for, the more money you'll make, because there are some people who head over to Foap to buy your images, and there will also be some people who will go on to Shutterstock to make a purchase using this exact method. We can easily copy and paste different photographs and generate various types of passive revenue. To get started right now, all you have to do is click on this button once more, and that will take you to this page where you can sign up for a free account. All you have to do is enter your email address and chosen password to sign up for a free account. Here are the websites where you can freely download high-quality photos. The website is no other than Shopify.com. On this website, you can find different high-quality and high-resolution photos, and there are so many different categories to choose from. You can see here, they're super high quality, and the thing is, you don't need any investment for it. And these are all the images that we can download with just one click of a button. Using our phone or computer, there are so many pictures right here that you can choose from. There is a high resolution or low resolution, but I highly recommend you download the high resolution in order to get paid on different websites. To generate even more money, there is another option available for you, and that is PickWizard.com. You may also get a variety of high-quality and free stock photographs on this website, with over 1 million different high-quality photos that are amazingly free. This is a far more efficient and time-saving method. Let's assume I click on this photo right here, and it redirects to this website. From there, I can choose to download this on my phone or my computer by clicking on any of the download buttons. After that, you'll need to post this photo to Shutterstock by using Foap.com. I can actually be getting various royalty commissions and passive revenue on a daily basis. And that is it for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure that you leave a like down below to express your appreciation and support for this video. Hit that subscribe button down below to subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to click the notification bell next to it so you'll be the first ones to know whenever a new video is out on how to make extra money online using a variety of different methods. Big thanks to everyone who tuned in, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.